In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to host an HTML website on Hostinger step by step. If you've built a simple website using HTML, CSS, and maybe a little bit of JavaScript, the next step is getting it live on the internet so anyone can visit it using your domain name. The good news is that Hostinger makes this process very simple, even if you've never uploaded a website before. By the end of this tutorial, your static HTML website will be live and accessible from your domain. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and hosting tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump straight into the process. The first thing you need to do is log into your Hostinger account. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com, then sign in using your account credentials. Once you are inside the Hostinger dashboard, you'll see all the hosting services and websites connected to your account. Look for the section called Websites. Here you'll see a list of the domains or sites you currently have on your hosting plan. Find the website where you want to upload your HTML project and click on Dashboard next to it. This will open the management panel for that specific site where you can control files, domains, databases, and other hosting settings. Once you're inside your website dashboard, the next step is to open the File Manager. On the left side, you'll see several options related to managing your website. Look for the Files section and then click on File Manager. The Hostinger File Manager works very similar to a normal file explorer on your computer. It allows you to upload, edit, move, and delete files directly on your hosting server without needing any additional software. After opening the File Manager, you'll see multiple folders, but the most important one is called public_HTML. This folder is the root directory of your website, which means anything placed inside it can be accessed through your domain. Now click on the public_HTML folder to open it. This is where your website files need to go. If there are any default files already inside the folder, you can remove them if you don't need them. Next, look for the Upload button, usually located near the top of the File Manager interface. Click Upload and select all the files that make up your website. This normally includes your HTML file, your CSS style sheets, JavaScript files, images, and any other assets used by the site. You can upload them individually or upload a full folder, depending on how your project is organized. After the upload finishes, make sure all the files appear inside the public_HTML directory, exactly the way your project structure requires. One very important thing to check is the name of your main HTML file. Your homepage must be named Index.html. This is the default file that hosting servers automatically load when someone visits your domain. If your main file has a different name, like home.html or main.html, simply rename it to index.html inside the File Manager. This ensures that when someone types your domain into their browser, your website loads correctly without needing extra configuration. After confirming the file name and structure, your website should already be ready to go live. Now open a new browser tab and type in your domain name, for example, yourdomain.com. If everything was uploaded correctly, your HTML website should appear instantly. You should see your layout, styling, images, and content exactly the way you designed it. If something looks broken, double-check that your CSS, JavaScript, and image paths are correct, and that all files were uploaded successfully into the public_HTML folder. A quick tip before we finish. Whenever you update your website in the future, you can simply return to the Hostinger File Manager and replace the old files with the updated versions. This allows you to continuously improve your site without needing to rebuild or reinstall anything. And that's it. That's how you host an HTML website on Hostinger quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more web hosting, website building, and online tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.